In this video, I'll show you how to make the impossible nail in wood puzzle. Let's get right to it. A small block of 2x4 and a 3-inch nail are all that I need for this project. I'll start by measuring out 3 slots that I'm going to cut out of this wood. Next, I'll adjust the table saw blade to the height I want, and then systematically pass the wood block over the blade to cut out the slots. Starting with a rasp, I'll smooth over the edges before finishing them up with some sandpaper. Okay, into the kitchen we go. I'm going to boil up some water and then place the wood inside for about an hour. This will soften up the wood fibers, which will allow them to become malleable. Back in the garage, I'll carefully place one end of the wood into the vise and slowly begin closing it. This will compress the wood. Depending on the grain of your wood, you may need to adjust the block to get a workable angle. With the wood compressed, I'll use my drill to create holes through the 2 inner wood slices and then drop the nail in. As I release the vise, the wood should begin to go back to its original shape. It will still need some extra help, so it's back to the kitchen we go. 30 minutes in the pot of boiling water and the wood should be ready. If there's still some misalignment, place it back in the vise to smooth out any warped or uneven areas. I'll give it one final sand down and then it's all done. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.